Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 3534. Today's date is 13th of August 2025. It's been almost like a morning at 7:50 a.m. Right now, rain is actually happening. Okay. Uh, yeah, it's like if this is video artifact episode, I'm gonna show you, but it's audio artifact episode, and I'm gonna show the emotions right here. I like rain. Yeah, it's one of the amazing things that this planet does have. And I love rain a lot. Okay. Like instead of summer and winter, rain is like it's kind of like a something earth is kind of like a taking bath. Okay. And everything feels really new. And I know it's bitterly chaotic and it's bitterly kind of like a messy and things like that, but still it's beautiful. And I don't know, I love the rain, and every time there is a rain happen I just want it to be get wet. Okay, yeah, but right now I don't want to, yeah, because right now I don't really have that many clothes to kind of like I don't know, yeah, but rain is like one of the beautiful thing, whatever. Okay, should we ask question? Yeah, let's ask question. All right, yeah, let's go through it. All right. Okay, question is, you don't believe you try everything without result. Okay, what exactly is this thing? It's not a question, it's a statement, and you have to be agree or disagree that, or how much you agree or how much you disagree on that. The question is that, ki, have you ever tried anything else? Like you are jumping from conclusion, or in other words, like you are giving up too early. It's a very simple example, yeah, that you are giving up too early. So am I agree on this statement or not? Like do I agree that am I give up so early? uh okay, am I give up so early or not? Am I give up? What exactly give up? A give up means like that accepting the failure, and basically is this thing that you are stopping yourself to not to do that thing. That is called give up. Okay. uh did i did I kind of like a something accept, like did I give up? um i I don't know, or I think no, possibly. Okay, yeah, that came, probably I didn't really give up. Okay, why? What makes you that you didn't really give up? And also another thing, most of people says that don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. Is it really good thing? Like or is it really bad thing? Let's just say that I have some sort of ambition, I wanted to achieve some sort of thing in my life, but I haven't really achieved in my life because of some sort of reason. So that means I give up, right? Yeah. So most of the people says that don't give up means like that, don't lose hope and things like that, and you just kind of like a fight for what you dream for. So basically is this thing that as a people point of perspective I shouldn't supposed to be give up, but is it right? Is it something that like is it something that like I'll just understand that is it really right? Yeah, like basically this thing I realize that ki, oh my god, the rain is actually happening and I'm kind of like a something a little half get wet. Okay, yeah, but I'm kind of like a something standing in such a position that close to a wall, and it's kind of like protecting me from the rain as much as possible, but still it's rain. Yeah, by the way, I like the rain, but still I don't want to get wet. I don't really have very proper synonyms for wet. Okay. Okay, yeah. So I okay, back to the topic. Okay, I realize that the statement of the people says, or what does people says, is not exactly associate with the nature's law. What do you mean by that? It means that na ki like basically is this thing people say, don't give up, don't give up. Some people give up, some people don't. Okay, yeah. What is exactly nature says? What is exactly that ki nature? What is exactly definition from the nature point of perspective or universal point of perspective? Is it right that ki you have to not to give up? Is it right or is it wrong? Well, I there is a one thing I realized that ki the statement that we created, or what is actually right and what is actually wrong, it's not exist in the nature. There is no right, there is no wrong. It's nothing. It's just like it's like I don't know in nature's book we think that destruction would be really catastrophic, but in nature point of perspective, nature destruction is a beautiful. It's a it's a kind of like a something fun first step to get beginning probably. Like there is a multiple planets are bombarded on each other and things happen and destruction happen more than nuclear bomb, thousands time nuclear bomb and things like that. And it's a kind of like a, simply a beautiful destruction. From nature point of perspective, there is no right, there is no wrong, there is no kind of like a something a judgmental thing. It's just a thing. Okay, yeah. So if I'm gonna say that ki if I give up or if I don't give up, it's a statement from the people point of perspective. How much is right or how much is wrong, or what is at least this thing? It's not even right. It's not even wrong. Then if this is not the statement from the universal or things like that, then why are we created such a statement? Is because of that ki we are human, we are not the universe, we are part of the universe. And if we wanted to live the life as better as we can, we need to follow some sort of rule. Not giving up is one of that rule. Okay, yeah. What I'm trying to tell you is this thing that the statement is meant for human, for this statement is meant for good life for human. Okay, yeah. Nature doesn't really think that. Nature is thinks that you are just part of another species. If you live, if you die, just you actually born for some sort of purpose from nature point of perspective, and you do that purpose directly or indirectly. How? Like what is exactly purpose? What exactly is this thing? Okay. First of all is that why do we born? What is exactly like what is exactly the purpose? Like if I'm say that I am a human, okay, yeah. What is exactly my purpose from nature's according? Why does kind of like some natures is actually kind of like a let me born on this planet or things like that. Um okay, right now I'm kind of like a thinking from the nature point of perspective. I don't know am I right or not. Okay, yeah. Um nature is kind of like a something that the whatever the things that we did in our entire human history, it's meant to be happen. Okay, yeah. I think that nature or universe or I don't know, they chose us means a human, a species that they should supposed to be evolved. Okay, yeah. They like a nature is actually created a such a way that we should supposed to be evolved. And It's a kind of like simply one of the greatest gift that nature is actually given to us, and which is really beautiful in, because this gift doesn't really get any other species. What is that gift? You might think that brain. Possibly you could see brain, but it's not completely right. Okay, yeah. It's, what do you mean by it's not completely right? It's mean that na ki possibly is this thing that ki every species has its brain. Other species have really big brain, and other species has a capability to utilize their brain in much more creative way or much more better way. Then why not other species doesn't really evolve that much? Why does only human is actually evolved that much? I think that now it's not about brain. No, nothing like at all. It's a kind of like a something, I don't know how do I supposed to explain. I think that he, imagine a scenario. Okay, yeah, there is a some sort of thing. Okay, yeah, a universe. Okay, let's just imagine a god. Okay, yeah, and in front of god there is a thousands of species. Okay, yeah, from cow to elephant to human to dinosaur to every possible species. Okay, that today exist and actually exist in the past and everything. Okay, yeah. So why does god chose human to evolve? Actually it's not chosen. We are not chosen. Actually human is not chosen. It's a something that ki, um, a recipe is actually happened accidentally. What do you mean accidentally? Okay, yeah. I don't know how do I supposed to explain. Um, okay. Let me explain some sort of scenario. Okay, yeah. I am not a cook. I don't really make that much good food. Okay, yeah. But if I wanted to make Maggie, I can make Maggie. Okay, yeah. I don't really have any prior experience regarding about how do I make Maggie. I don't really know nothing really about Maggie. I just know I can eat Maggie. That's it. Okay, yeah. But without any knowing anything at all, I can still make Maggie and I can still eat that Maggie. Okay, yeah. It's kind of like a something very easy. You just have to put the Maggie into the boiled water and put that masala, because there is a masala included, and you just have to put it and that's it. Okay, yeah. If you wanted to make it even more better, you can add little bit ingredient like a onion or like a kanda or mirza or whatever it is. Okay, yeah. What I'm trying to tell you is this thing that ki, the the skills required to make Maggie is like nothing really important. Like it's not really essential. It just Maggie. But how do I supposed to make that Maggie is good? Like I didn't really make Maggie. I didn't really have any prior experience. How did I make it? Is because of that कि sometimes such thing uh, arrive in such a way that it just fits in right position and it became better. Okay, still not really understand. Okay, I don't know how do I supposed to explain. um let's just say, okay, it happened to the most of the actor or actress or things like that. Okay, yeah, most of the actor and actress says that ki they have their talent. Okay, yeah, being an actor and things like that, but they get the first chance, they get the chance in a such a way that they didn't really expect. A kind of like a something particular time, a moment or situation or whatever it is, in that particular thing they get that chance and they became one of the biggest star in the Bollywood or Hollywood industry. What I'm trying to tell you is this thing that ki, like being a particular profession, like let's just say actor, it's not rely on just a talent. Sometimes it rely on luck too. Okay, and sometimes it's rely on luck too, because I seen so many actors, they are so incredibly good, but they didn't really get that much chance. Okay, yeah, but some people have born with some sort of chance and they get it kind of like a something in right time, in right particular place, and they get the chance and they became successful, means they are bitterly lucky, right? In some context. Okay, yeah, in some context, right? Yeah. So what I'm trying to tell you is this thing that ki sometimes luck is somewhat essential for little bit kind of like a um something evolved, right? Yeah. So I think, I just think, I'm not really sure, I think that ki humans are lucky. Okay, humans are lucky so that they kind of like a something evolved, means like that ki god or whoever that person, god or universe or whatever it is, nature doesn't really chose human to evolve. No, we actually chosen by a luck, okay, or something that, and 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 because of this thing we actually evolved. But how do you say, dude? I'm kind of like a soaking wet right now. There is a kind of like a rain is actually. Oh my god. I wanted to talk. It's a really good subject. My phone is legit. Okay, if I'm kind of like a stay here, maybe I will not. Oh my god, there is also rain here too. Oh, should I put the umbrella? No, I just have to kind of like a somebody close to the wall, as close as possible as I can. Might be I'm kind of like a somebody. Oh, by the way, my entire Bermuda got wet. Okay, but it's good. It's whatever. Okay, yeah. So let's just talk. Okay, yeah. That key. Why do you think that key human are evolved is because of luck? Okay. First thing is that key regarding about brain, you are thinking that key we have a brain, okay, yeah, and that's why we are kind of like a meant to evolve, because that is not, because like scientific point of perspective, brain are meant to be evolved. Our brain are kind of like a design in such a way that meant to be evolved. But we are not the only one. The human species is not the only one who get kind of like a something that advantage, as another species has that kind of like a too, like dolphins, they have kind of like a something brains to evolve. I'm not really sure, but I think they have. And probably other species have that kind of like a something such a brain that they meant to be evolved. Then why does only humans are actually evolved? What exactly is this thing? Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you is this thing: if the human is actually meant to be evolved, there is some certain thing really required. Okay, not just brain, but other thing. First of all, hand. Let's just say our hand. Okay, yeah. I think we are really privileged to we get hand, and we are utilizing our hand to kind of like simply do something much good and great. Okay, yeah. Like let's just look at other species. Let's just say tiger, elephant, or any kind of like a species. They have their two legs and two hand, but probably is this thing they both, their hands and leg are kind of like a utilized to kind of like a walk and run and things like that. But if I'm according to the human, we only walk on two leg and we have hand, and we can utilize our hand to kind of like make tools or things, something like that. Okay, yeah. Another thing is that ki we also have a leg, that means we can walk. Okay, yeah. Also we are evolved in land, not in the sea. Okay, yeah, because if we kind of like evolved in sea, we might not that much evolve that much. So it is really essential to kind of like something evolved in the land. Okay, yeah. um I think, I don't know, at the moment this is kind of like some things that I'm kind of like thinking right now. um it's not just a brain. Okay, it's not just a kind of like a things, it's a kind of like a something perfect recipe that meant to be good. Okay, yeah, it's a kind of like a something, every possible scenario it's kind of like a pointed towards in a such a way that human meant to be evolved. Okay, yeah. Like the oxygen level, the food, and the we can walk on two leg, we can utilize our hand, and yeah, it is that thing. Okay, yeah, probably what I'm trying, I don't know. Okay, yeah. So regarding about all this possible point of perspective, our humans are chosen No, it's not chosen. Okay, yeah, nature doesn't really choose any kind of like a certain species to meant to be evolved and things like that. No, not really at all. It's kind of like a something, some sort of luck, probably. Okay, some sort of thing that pointed towards that all the possible things are pointed towards to kind of like a something make the human evolve, probably. I think that, but I'm not really sure. Okay, yeah. But regarding about this question, the question says that key like basically is this saying that key are you give up? Are you kind of like a person that you give up or not? As I mentioned, these terminology are kind of like invented for human for the human. Okay, yeah. And these terminology are meant for kind of like a something for make their life as better as it can, because if they kind of like somebody give up, then probably it's not really good. Okay, yeah, because the life would be not good after they give up and things like that. All right, yeah. So what is actually this point, this universe and human psychology and things, something like that? What exactly you are trying to say? No, I'm not really trying any kind of like a I just wanted to kind of like a I just wanted to say that's it. Okay, yeah. It doesn't really kind of like associate with the give up and things like that. Okay, yeah. But what I'm trying to tell you is this thing that key I don't know why. I don't know. It's just like the early morning I wanted to talk and I kind of like suddenly talk something stupid shit that I kind of like suddenly not not just associate with this question. Okay, yeah. So, are you person who give up? Um, I don't think so. Yeah, because if I'm looking at my life from every possible way, am I give up? I didn't really give up. Probably, I just do the things that I love to do, and well, actually, give up is a really strong word. Okay, yeah, it's like that. Like, do you give up? Like, you are kind of like somebody dying, and you are not giving up. You are kind of like somebody just struggling to live and things and something like that. It's very, very strong word. Yeah. Well, it like the situation is not really that strong. Okay, it just kind of like somebody just yeah. Like, do I give up? Um, no, I didn't really give up. Okay, yeah, it's a kind of like a something is this thing that you just oh my god, there is a rain. There is a rain. I'm fucking soaking up right now. Okay, soaking up is a really good synonyms for getting wet. Okay, I'm soaking up by rain or I don't know. By the way, I'm not really good in the English. Okay, yeah. So if there is some sort of grammatical mistakes or kind of like a somebody, I don't really, I don't know. Okay, I'm belong to the India. English is not my first language, so yeah, don't blame me. All right. So do I give up? Well, I think about every possible scenario that happened in my life, and basically is this thing that okay, do I give up? I didn't really kind of like seen any kind of like a stuff that I give up. Okay, yeah. Huh, but you could kind of like a something kind of like a think about every possible way that you lost your job. Why do you lost your job? You actually give up or not? Like basically it kind of like a somebody things that you gave up. But unfortunately, kind of like a somebody doing a job is not my thing. Okay, yeah, and basically I lost my job is not meant to be give up, is meant to be kind of like a somebody evolved, is meant to be that key I just yeah and things like that. Okay, yeah. But what I'm trying to think that key in the future there is a kind of like a multiple possibility will gonna happen. Okay, that key at some certain point I have to be kind of like a let go that attachment towards that particular thing, because sometimes it's little bit essential. Okay, because of that key how do I suppose to say that key I don't know. Okay, like how like let's just kind of like somebody imagine the every possible scenario. Okay, yeah. In the future, okay, yeah, I think I have to be kind of like a somebody try to achieve some sort of thing in my life. Okay, yeah. Um, and sometimes the situation and time are not meant to be that thing. Okay, yeah. So do I give up? Do I it's a very kind of like a terminology that I just can't even understand. Okay, yeah. like basically people says do not give up your hopes and things and something like that, and I do completely agree with that thing, but I can't kind of like something accept that thing. Okay, yeah, it is what is it now, like a, it's not really kind of like a something resonate with all the situation and surrounding what will gonna happen in the future, because like a, you shouldn't supposed to be give up. This statement is not always true in all the scenario, because it's not good. Like let's just say if the Adolf Hitler kind of like a something didn't really give up and he just decided that he wanted to conquer the world, then can you imagine what would be world looks like? Okay, yeah. So what I'm trying to tell you is this thing that some happen, or some certain situation happen are meant to be happen. Okay, yeah, or meant to be, dude. Um, is there something is written? Is kind of like a things that like what exactly happened in your life or in the world or things like that? Is it written? It's not written, dude. There is nothing really written. There is nothing really at all. There is no one kind of like a somebody book that kind of like a somebody written everything. No, nothing really at all. I don't really think that. Or maybe is it, but I don't know. Okay, yeah. What should I supposed to do today? It's kind of like a depend on me. Okay, yeah. But it's somewhat something kind of like a understandable from the kind of like a something routine. Let's just imagine, okay, let's just say that key um do like if I'm gonna say that your life is actually written, okay, it means that I can predict the future so that I could write everything that would exactly happen. Okay, yeah. So that means someone can kind of like predict the future. Can we predict the future? um I think yes. What do you mean by that? Like, how do we supposed to predict the future? Well, basically, it's this thing, na? Okay, yeah, let's just imagine. Okay, what would I supposed to do today? Okay, let's just like right now. This is at almost like a 8:17 a.m. Okay, yeah, it's a morning. Okay, let's predict what will gonna happen today. Well, after this artifact, I will gonna do my breakfast. Okay, yeah. Then I will gonna read my book for half an hour. Then I mop the floor. Then I kind of like play my brain games. Then I kind of like simply do practice on or learning coding. Okay, and then after that, I kind of like look at the design. I took the photo and kind of like do the design. At almost like a 6:30, I will gonna went to the workout. I will do running. I will do kind of like a play badminton. I came home and I kind of like a do the remaining things that is kind of like a done. And then after that, at 12 a.m., I went to sleep. Okay, yeah. So this will gonna happen. Okay, yeah. How much do you think it will gonna happen? Like a 10%, 20%, or 100%? I think almost like a maybe 90 to 80%, almost like 100% will gonna happen. Why are you like that means you are predicting your future, right? Well, in somewhat something, yeah, because let me tell you one thing. If I'm following the routine, if I'm following the particular routine, that means I could predict the future, what we're gonna do today. Also, I'm predict the future, that what we're gonna do I do tomorrow. What I'm trying to tell you is this thing: as a person can follow some sort of routine, can predict what will gonna happen tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and things like that. Okay, yeah. So, am I the only person who's following the routine? No, there is entirely every person on the planet is actually have some sort of routine. Okay, yeah, not exactly like me, but they have some sort of things like they morning they went to work out, they do this, they do that, do that, do that. So possibly is that if we could analyze the past sequences, what they did in the everyday life, we could predict the future, right? So 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 basically is this thing, if it's not exactly exactly right, but almost like a 70 to 80% right. Okay, yeah. So 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 basically, are we evolved that much that we could predict the future? I don't know, dude. I'm just talking really stupid shit. I don't know what exactly happened this morning. I just kind of like the rain is actually happened, and I just kind of like don't really understand the point at all. Okay, yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to say, I'm just talking really fucking like a psychological thing, dude. I'm just talking like kind of like somebody say that ki, I am a god, and I'm kind of like thinking that way. Who fucks think like that way? God evolved, and who chose you, and things and fucked up shit. Okay, I am not any kind of like a only person that I don't know. I just kind of like a somebody just this is a kind of like a only morning thing. I think that probably that's why I'm kind of like a somebody just talking this shit. I don't know is it shit or not, but is it possible? I'm not really sure. Whatever. Okay, yeah, it's been almost like a half an hour, and I should supposed to be end the artifact. Okay, by the way, regarding about the question, did I any kind of like a somebody did any kind of like a somebody the give up or things like that? Well, I didn't really give up. Okay, yeah, but in some certain time in my life that I have to give up at some certain stuff. Okay, yeah, but it's not kind of like a something that ki, um, I don't know how do I supposed to explain. Give up is a kind of like a terminology that I don't know. Okay, I can't like basically if I'm kind of like looking at the every possible scenario, it's not I can't control the every possible thing. Okay, yeah, but my mentality should supposed to be that ki let's just try to achieve. But I kind of like figure it out that ki if I achieve that thing, does it kind of like add value in my life? Does it add value in someone people's life or not? If it kind of like add a destruction or kind of like a chaos, then probably I shouldn't supposed to do that. So I just have to give up and things like that. So I don't know. Okay, yeah, give up is a kind of like a flexible term that sometime it's right, sometime it's not. You just have to understand from your point of perspective and just proceed. Whatever. This is it. Okay, and thank you.